the Faith and Love Foundation, established by Mr. Tayo Oyetibo, San, and Mrs. Abiola Tayo Oyetibo, in collaboration with Niger Life's Matters, Fish for Life Foundation, proud to introduce a special digital skills empowerment bootcamp training for self-employment to the youths of Ondo State. Every day, thousands of young people wake up with dreams, but without skills that can turn those dreams into income. Degrees are increasing, jobs are reducing, and the digital economy is moving fast. The question is no longer, are you educated? The real question is, can you earn online? Can you create value digitally? Many youths want financial independence, but they don't know where to start, what to learn, or how to turn skills into real money. That is why Digital Business Empowerment 2026 was created to bridge the gap between potential and profit, between interest and income. Digital Business Empowerment is a 3-day intensive, hands-on training designed to equip youths with practical digital business skills they can start using immediately. Freelancepreneur. Learn how to become a freelancer, find international clients, and earn in foreign currency using your skills. Bookpreneur. How to create books, digital or print, and sell them as income-generating assets. Videopreneur. How to make money creating different types of videos, even without expensive equipment. Blogpreneur. How to start a blog, grow traffic, and monetize it for consistent online income. Affiliatepreneur. How to sell other people's products online and earn commissions without owning a product. YouTubepreneur. How to build a successful YouTube channel, grow an audience, and monetize your content. Date: January 29th to 31st, 2026. 8 a.m. daily. Venue: Archbishop Olufosoy's Conference Center, opposite St. Joseph's College, Ife Road, Ondo City, Ondo State. This program is for students, graduates, creatives, entrepreneurs, and anyone tired of depending on a single source of income. Organized by Faith and Love Foundation, in collaboration with the Fish for Life Foundation of the Niger Lives Matter organization, empowering youths with skills, not promises. This is more than a training. It's an investment in your future. A chance to rewrite your financial story. This special empowerment event requires pre-registration confirmation before the event. Please contact Faith and Love Foundation in Ondo State for registration details. Don't just watch the digital economy grow, be part of it. Digital Business Empowerment 2026. Learn, build, earn.